भारतीय जनता पार्टी की बड़ी मुश्किलें, अनुप्रिया पटेल ने दिया विपक्षी दलों का साथ। नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपके साथ स्नेहा सोनी और स्वागत करती हूं आपका इरोस टाइम्स में। लोकसभा में इन दिनों जातीय जनगणना का मुद्दा छाया हुआ है। लोकसभा में नेता प्रतिपक्ष राहुल गांधी से लेकर समाजवादी पार्टी अध्यक्ष अखिलेश यादव तक इस मुद्दे पर जमकर सरकार को घेर रहे हैं। वहीं इस मुद्दे पर इस एनडीए की सहयोगी और केंद्रीय मंत्री अनुप्रिया पटेल भी विपक्षी दलों के साथ खड़ी दिखाई दे रही हैं। उन्होंने जातीय जनगणना का खुलकर समर्थन किया है। आपको बता दें, पॉडकास्ट में बात करते हुए अनुप्रिया पटेल ने जातीय जनगणना का समर्थन किया। आइए जानते हैं आगे उन्होंने क्या कहा।
I'll tell you. See, first of all, it would be wrong to say that the party was punished because 62 years. It's been long. After 62 years, you have a government which is an alliance which is repeating itself for the third time. And Modi ji takes over as the Prime Minister of the country for the third time. So there is definitely an unwavering faith that people have in Prime Minister's leadership. But yes, UP, of course, we did not have results as per our expectations, and UP contributed a lot in the Modi 1 government and the Modi 2 government. We have the largest number of parliamentary constituencies, so obviously the expectations were very high. Somewhere in the middle of the election, it so happened that there was some fake narrative, false propaganda, that abrogation of reservation and constitution. And we really did not counter it timely and effectively. We did not take it under Prime Minister Modi ji's leadership. We have taken so many steps in the interest of the marginalized communities that it was actually difficult for us to believe that those weaker sections could be carried away or they would fall prey to any of such false narratives. But sometimes, it happens in elections. So we had these fake videos, fake claims, all that worked. So it's okay. If you're asking me, obviously, I was talking to my people at the grassroots level, and they were the ones who reported to me repeatedly that this Arakshan and Samvidhan is entering the heads of people. So I tried communicating also at the top levels, but probably, like I said, because there was so much of work which was done by Modi government in the interest of the weaker sections, that probably BJP leadership found it difficult to believe that actually it is having so much of impact at the grassroots level. And Uttar Pradesh particularly, we had some issues, some resentment in the weaker sections against the state government. So in the backdrop of those resentments, when this false narrative came, then that was the point where things got derailed.